Hello everybody, today we make Italian macaroni and cheese. For the ingredient we got nutmeg, elbow pasta, butter, flour, milk. I got the mixed cheese e I got mozzarella, provolone, fontina, parmigiano cheese e pecorino cheese. It's all shredded together. Pancetta, pecorino cheese. The last one I got over here, it's the parsley. I take out and I cover all the snow out. And when I take the cover out, I look inside. Look how beautiful my parsley. I got so many. And look at my parsley. Nice green and nice healthy parsley. It's so good. Okay, now first thing I want to start with the bechamel sauce. I got this pot over here and I want to warm up my milk. Okay, put the gas on, and we start with the butter. The melted butter. And I got a flour over here, but the butter gotta be melted first. Okay, now the butter is melted down, and we start with the flour. At the same time, the water started to boil over there. I want to cook the pasta. When you do the bechamel, make sure to low the gas, okay? You know when the flour to be burned at the butter. Because the bechamel gotta be nice white. And this you gotta make sure all the time turn, okay? You know when the flour come crumble. Now the water boil, I salt already, and now we cook the pasta. And when you put the pasta down, make sure the turn, okay, you know, one be thick, the pasta. Now this pasta you gotta cook like 7 minutes. And now the bechamel, it's already done. Okay, now it's time, turn off the gas for the milk. And we put the milk. Okay, I'll leave a little bit more. Turn the gas a little up. Okay, when the milk starts to boil, it comes more thick. Okay, I need a little bit more milk. Okay, the milk is done. We give a little turn. The rest of the milk. And now, we put a little salt. Not too much salt at the cheese, it's salty. It's enough. I got a black pepper. And I got a nutmeg. Oh, over here. And after I gotta do my pecorino cheese. Boy, I think it takes me a long time to do the pecorino cheese with this. Okay, now we give a nice turn for the bechamel. Okay, the pasta is done. Let's drain the pasta. And we go right over here. Okay, look good. And we put the pasta right over here. Okay, the bechamel is ready. And now it's time to put the cheese. You gotta mix everything together. Look at this, the cheese now. This look creamy. Oh. It's really good, good. Okay, now I like to pour a little pecorino cheese. Okay, now I don't know how long it takes me. I gotta do all this piece over here. Oh, I think it takes me all day long. Oh, you know why? Forget about this. Let's do like Italian style, like this. Ah, much better. And now we give a nice turn. Now you talk. Oh, look how cremosa. Nice. Okay, now it's time of the pasta. Oh. Okay, good. Now we give a nice mix. Look at this, another pasta. Now the pasta, I don't cook all the way, because now you gotta go in the oven for half hour. Okay, you gotta cook in the oven. Like this, you finish the cook. Now look how beautiful it's a mix now. Now you gotta go right on this dish. All right. Oh, it's a lot of macaroni and cheese. Okay, it's okay. Now what do I do? I make a nice every place you gotta go. Okay, it look really good. I got a couple of pieces over here. I don't want to miss. You think I want to throw away? No. This you gotta go right over here. Okay, now you gotta go in the oven, and we got 400 degrees for half hour. I got a beautiful pancetta, and now I want to cut it on small cubes. Okay, now I want to do my pancetta. I cut a small piece, and we put it right over here. I want to make it nice crispy, because this one, you got to go on the top of the pasta. So you don't got no pancetta, you can get a bacon or ham, you cut on the piece, and you do. It's okay. Now we put this on low, because I want all the fat to melt, and they come nice. Okay, it's about 25 minutes. And we take it out, and now we gotta put the pancetta on the top, and we leave it stay for 5 more minutes. And look how beautiful this pancetta is giving a nice color and nice good taste. Okay, now we put it for 5 more minutes, and this be ready. All right. Good. Okay, the macaroni and cheese is ready to go. I can't wait to eat this. Mamma mia. Vedi quanto è bello sto piatto. Vedi. Oh, look how nice. Really beautiful. Okay, now it's a time of me to taste. Look at the crust, look nice. You know why? Little parsley you need. Give it a nice taste, a nice green. You can taste all the cheese and the pancetta. It's so good. And with this nice wine, the salute cin cin of everybody, and I want to say, make like I did, and you let me know what it tastes. I know it tastes good. Salute e cin cin. Thank you very much.
What are you making?
Macaroni con formaggio. I macaroni che 5 qualità di formaggio. A pepe, a grappa, a vacca, o toro, o torino e o cane.
A dog?
Look how beautiful my parsley. I got so many. You want parsley? You come to me. I got so many. I'm the parsley man. Cause this parsley is so good.
I wasn't expecting it to be that
Yeah,
hard.
but you leave it to go the thing over there. Wait, put a staple over there.
Those staples.
Are you practicing again?
3, 2, 1, go. No.
I know the dough. But you gotta stay straight.
Back? Okay, fine.
See, you leave it go to me.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Like this.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, that looks pretty good. But now you have to be lower. Try to go, yeah, like right there.
Okay, yeah, that milk. Okay, but can you move that milk?
Almost. The 5 cup maybe wasn't good. Aye.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
That was good. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Should have just recorded that. It went in her hair.
Holy